switch off your video. Switch off your video. One of the girl. Fine. So let us. They are watching Netflix. Netflix. Yes, I understood. I understood that only. Okay. Let them watch. After some time, I will remove them. So they will watch permanently there only. Manasa. Manasa is also. She is a watch. Switch off your video, ma. Switch off your video. Okay. Okay. Manasa, switch off your video. I said 3-4 times. It is playing in my middle of the screen. It's not going out of it. So removed from the meeting. Right. So let us start. Yes, ma. Fine, ma. So Monica, fine, ma. So shall we start the subject? Okay, we wait 2 minutes, but still people are going on joining, no issue. Shall we start, guys, all of you? Yeah, last class what we discussed, ma? Last class, what is our discussion? Polymorphism, very good. Polymorphism. Did you understand polymorphism in yesterday's class? Did you understand polymorphism in yesterday's class? Yes, sir. What is the definition of polymorphism? What is the definition of polymorphism, please? Yeah, come on, fast. Definition of polymorphism. The process of representing one form in multiple forms. The process of representing one form in multiple forms is called polymorphism. The process of representing one form in where? Multiple forms is called polymorphism. Yes. Tell me, what is one form there? What is one form there, ma? Virginal method. Very good. Virginal method. Virginal methods are residing in where? Virginal methods are residing in where? Base class. Virginal methods are residing in base class. Good. What is multiple forms, ma? What is multiple forms? Overridden methods. Super. Where they are available? Where they are available, ma? Derived classes. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Polymorphism is a programming concept or best principle? Polymorphism is a programming concept or best principle? It is a best principle. Very good. How do you implement in Python? How do you implement in Python? How do you implement in Python? By method overriding. Yes, ma, super. Excellent. So, method overriding definition, can you tell me? Can you tell me method overriding definition, please? Method heading is same, plus method body is different. Method heading is same, method body is different. Method heading is same, plus what? Method body is different. Very good. Now, so to use method overriding, which principle I have to apply? Think and then say, think and then say. To use method overriding, excellent. Inheritance concept I must apply. Can I write the same method again and again in the same class? Can I write the same method again and again in the same class? We cannot. We cannot write the same method again and again in the same class. Definitely, one method has to be overridden into subclass. Right? Now, tomorrow no class, ma. Tomorrow no class, only Monday. Tomorrow, Monday class will be there for you. Okay? So you don't have any class. Monday class we will meet. So let us go to the programming part of this. Programming part of polymorphism here. Shall I start the programming? Now I am entering into the programming. Look at. Now I'm taking programming. Carefully try to watch, ma. Carefully try to watch. Now I'm taking one class. Now I'm taking one class. What is that class? You just watch it. What is the name of the class? I'm going to give you the clarity here. Look at the clarity here. I'm taking class, one small diagram I'm giving. Figure. I'm taking the figure. See, I'm taking figure is a class. I'm taking the figure class. So there I'm taking one method, one method I'm taking. Void, okay, going to the Java hand. Def, draw, def, draw. In this place, I'm drawing something like this. I'm drawing something like this. See, there I am writing. There I am writing print off something I am just writing. What is that? Drawing. Some figure I am drawing. Something. Drawing. Some figure. Which I am not saying that. Drawing some figure. Or if why to have that confusion, that I will introduce that high-end intention I will introduce separately. Drawing circle. Right. Seema, Rohan Mitra, you are 4 o'clock na? For you, I will explain separately. I am explaining separately for 9 o'clock. For you, I will explain separately. Okay, na? For you people, I will explain separately. For you people and 6 o'clock people, combinedly, I will explain for you. Okay, na? Nothing to worry. I will just NumPy and Pandas, I will explain separately for 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Okay, don't worry. Okay, very nice. And I'm really happy our Python students and Java students are performing very well in the logic development classes compared to all other students. Of course, our students are only more in that logic development where most of the people are selected, and there they are performing very well like other students of other batches. Our students only more. So in the entire strength, 80%, maybe 70% is our students. 70%. Really good. I really felt very happy for it. So drawing circle. For example, I am drawing circle. In which class it is? Circle class. It is circle class. Carefully follow. Carefully follow. Circle class. And one more company is ready for conducting the test. There I will intimate you very shortly. Right now, don't worry. So come to the point of it. Class circle. I am writing one more kind of class mark. See carefully. Class rect. Rect is a class which is inheriting things from circle. Then tell me, I just said pause. All of you. Class rect of circle. What is inherited from circle class? Everybody. What is inherited from circle class? Draw method is inherited. Okay, na? Draw method is inherited. From where? Circle class into rect. As it is, this draw method is as it is the definition is available. See, I did not write anything. Pause, I said. Just pause. Pause means what? I am not writing any statements in the body. I am just postponing its definition. Coming to the main program. I am writing main program. So main program I am taking. So there, see, I am going to do. In this entire class, I am going to teach various ways of achieving the polymorphism in Python programming. Which class object you will create? Quickly, tell me. Which class object I will create? Rect class object I will create. Rect. So RO is equal to rect of. I created RO is equal to rect of. Okay, done. Now RO dot draw method. Can I call draw method like this? Can I call or not? Is it valid or invalid? All of you. Faster. Valid, sir. This is valid. Come on, fast. Draw method called with respect to RO. Flow I am saying. Draw method called with respect to RO. RO is an object of which class? Rect class. Control goes to which class? Rect class. Looking for what? Draw method. There or not there? Is it there or not there? Karan. Subhashish, Raj Kamal, all of you are right in position. There or not there? There or not there? It is there. It is there. Physically not there. Logically it is there. You have to use that. Logically it is there. All of you should answer my question. Logically it is there. Okay, that will execute. That will execute. Now I am going to give you polymorphism example 1. I will show you various examples. Polymorphism example 1.5. Just watch it now. So let us go to that. Save this logic. So under that 4 p.m. under oops under polymorphism, just to save this code. So done. Let us coming to the command prompt. See G colon. I say caviar Python. I say 4 p.m. Say there I am writing oops and say polymorphism. And say polymorphism. There I will execute my code. There I will execute my code. I will say polymorphism example 1. See ma, what is that? Self I need to write. Self. So you forget that. Self you did not say that. Forget. You also forget. I also forget. So see that drawing circle. But being a rectangle object creator, you are getting the answer of what? Circle. Which class object you created? Rectangle object you created. Being a rectangle object creator, you are getting the answer of what? Circle. If any other person is seeing being a rectangle object creator, you are getting the definition of which class? Circle class draw method. What other person will feel? According to our program, this answer is correct. But according to our problem, according to our output of the program, it is not that much appropriate. Na? Is it appropriate or not appropriate? It is not that much appropriate. So according to the program, it is correct. But according to the output point of view, other person will ask you, you created rectangle, you need to get the draw rectangle, but you are getting draw circle. That time you will say, okay, wait for 2 minutes. You have to say immediately. What you will do now? Tell me. What you will do, ma? You will override. You will override that method. What is that overriding? Def keyword, same thing I will write. I will write def. Def I will write. Method name also I will write the same. Method name also I will write the same. Same parameters I will write it. So self I will write it. Self. Malesh. Shima. Circle. Extension is in Java. We are in Python. Of self. So rect of circle. Inheriting only. So what I am doing? Overriding. Drawing circle. Drawing circle. Say drawing rectangle. I am writing drawing rectangle. Drawing rectangle. So it is called which class? Rectangle class. See careful. Rectangle class. This is called which method? Overridden method. So far earlier what we taken in inheritance, different methods we took it. Different methods we took it. But here we are taking same method with a different kind of body. Overridden method. Overridden method it is called. And what about this method is called? Original method it is called. Original method. Original method it is called. Now, coming to the point of it. Now here I am writing RO dot draw. Draw method called with respect to RO. RO is an object of rect class. It will go to the rect class. Calling which method? Calling which method? Calling which method? Which method is calling? Overridden draw method. Draw method. See, apply the sense of subject. Apply the sense of subject. Sense of subject. Samaya spurtiga answer shivali. You need to apply sense of subject. So draw method, okay, correct. But which draw method? Overridden draw method. Overridden draw method. See the answer now. I got execute drawing rectangle. Now the question will come immediately. See ma. Yes ma. Coming to the point there. Here we are getting overridden method. Now we need to we can expect it. Now I'm going to tell you that syntax. From this overridden method, I want to call the superclass original method. I want to call the superclass original method. Carefully observe. I'm going to tell you the syntaxes today. I'm introducing two syntaxes. Totally four syntaxes I'm going to introduce. Draw method. Overridden method it is called. From the overridden method, I want to call the original method. Okay, one more I will write it. One more I will write it. Class, square I am writing. Square I am writing. Square of what? Rect. Square of rect I am writing. Rect. What is the method is coming? This method is coming. What I will do? Again I will override. Again I will override here. See draw method. So drawing square. I am saying that drawing square. I am saying drawing square. It is called what? Square class. It is called a square class. So RO is equal to rect. RO dot draw. Here I will write what now? I will write what here? SO is equal to square. Seema square. From there I will call it as what? SO dot draw I am writing. Which type of inheritance it is? Come on, which type of inheritance? Come on, my everybody. Which type of inheritance? It is a multi-level inheritance. It is a multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance, I created the bottommost class, SO dot draw. Draw method called with respect to SO. SO is an object of square. Control goes to square. PVM control goes to square. Looking for this overridden method. So drawing square class, you will get it. See, drawing square class, you will get it. But the square class want to call what? Rect class. The rect class want to call circle. All of them are same methods. Previously, university you take it, college you take it, student you take it. Get university details, get college details, get student details. Three methods I took it. Waste of time. Remembrance problem is more. Three methods memory spaces are taking. And then ultimately, we want to go for same method name I am using. Dear student, are you observing the inheritance application and this application? All of you? Yes. Now I want to go for to call the original methods from the overridden methods. We are having one beautiful function is available. What is that now? See, I am calling from here. I want to call super. I am calling one super function is there. Super function. Super function. In Java, there is a super keyword. Super keyword in Java. Here, super function. Dot. You need to say draw. You need to say draw. You need to write what? Draw. You need to write. So what is that? Super draw. Super function dot draw. You need to write. What is the super function is doing? The super function is always pointing to the super class of draw. Super class of square. Who is the super class of square? Rect. So it will call which method? Will call. Tell me. Will call which method? Draw method of which class? Will call draw method of which class? Rect class. See, just to check it out. I got it. See, drawing square class, which is calling the drawing rectangle class. Drawing rectangle class. Okay, drawing rectangle class. Go to that back. Go back to that place. From here, I want to go to rect class. From rect class, I will call it's a super class. What is that now? Super of draw. Super of draw. Super of draw. He is doing what? Calling. Will call draw of which class? Will call draw of which class? Circle class. Will call draw of which class? Circle class. Now you execute. Got the answer. So square is calling rectangle. Rectangle is calling circle. It's not only necessary to call here. Not necessary. You can call in the here also. Here you can call it. Before this place, what you are calling? Before drawing square. You can call before drawing square. Before drawing square. Here also you can call this one you remove. In the same context of method, we can call here also. No issue at all. Yes, you can call. Yes. Now you see, first when it is coming to draw, this draw method is calling super dotted draw. It is going to this place. In the draw, again super dotted draw. Who is the superclass for rectangle? Circle. This draw is calling. This draw is calling. Execute, execute, got the output. Execute, got the output. See, circle is a topmost class, rectangle class, this one. And dear students, and don't write here like this. Don't write like this. Will you write like this? Executed or error? Is it error or executed? Error. Why? Who is the superclass for circle? Who is the superclass for circle? Object. Who is the superclass for circle? Object. What is object? What is an object in Python? Everybody, what is an object in Python? Implicit superclass. Implicit superclass for all the classes in Python. It provides a garbage collection facility. You execute, see you got an error. See, super object has no attribute. Super object has no attribute to draw. See, superclass called object has no attribute called a draw. Draw method is not there in the superclass. That's why we cannot call this. So I hope that you people understand. Even if you write that also, there is no special case. Dear students, are you perfect in this? So are you understanding the super function? Are you understanding the super function? Yes. Please confirm once. Yes, please. Responses are not coming. Okay, understand. Now I will tell you some small limitation with this also. Some small limitation is also there with this. So what are that limitations are? I will tell you. First, let me come to the super case. So this is called polymorphic example 1. Let me go to the discussion about the super function. As a part of polymorphism, I would like to discuss this concept. Which concept I am talking about? Super function I am going to talk about it. Super function I am going to talk about it. Super function. See, this is a separately I am going to explain for you. Which case we are going to use it? Functions, methods. Carefully again. Base class methods are coming to derived class. Derived class method is also going to go overridden. When the derived class overridden method want to call the base class original method, we must use super function dot draw. Super functions dot draw. Okay, right. So, yes, ma, Raviraj. I will come to that, ma. I will come to that. Okay, wait. Because only one example I started. At least I am going to talk about 6 to 7 examples. Okay, 6 to 7 example I am going to talk. 6 to 7 examples I am going to call. Okay, right. Please look into that. If we want to call, it is used for directly, straightforward. I will write it. Super function is used for calling. Super function is used for calling base class over base class original method. Base class original method. From the context of derived class, from the context of overridden method of derived class. Overridden method of derived class. What is the syntax? It's a very regularly asking question, very regularly coming requirement. Right? Coming to the point of it, now I am going to give you now situation like this. Look at. I am saying syntax I am going to call. It is not only calling the base class original method. It is also with the super function we can also call. Is also used for. I am writing. It is also used for calling the base class constructor. I am writing. Calling the base class constructor from the context of overridden constructor of. See that word I am writing. Constructor can be overridden in Python, but constructor cannot be inherited into Python Java language. This is the one which we need to remember. So this is the one which we need to remember. Listen, all of you, you follow me carefully. Even if you type in the chat window, I am not seeing that. Just let me concentrate on the listen so many examples I'm going to give you, so that all your clarities will be coming like anything. Because already you have seen so many topics, no? So many topics, everything is so perfect clarity. You got it or not? Why you are so tense with this topic? Right or not? You got so clarity or not? Huh? Karan Rathor, you got the clarity or not? What ma? You got it now? Yes. This also you will get the clarity. Still, if you got any doubt, last moment you can ask. Last, I will be there with you now. You can ask. So how do you call? Used for calling the base class constructor from the, who is this people ma? Galaxy. So I said so many times. So removing. So it is disturbing for my class. It's a waste of time for me. So super function is also used for calling the base class constructor from the overridden constructor of the dead class. Sir, give the example for that also. Let us go to the example. Now I will take this example. I will take. Look at that one. Others. I will take. Now I am taking. Let us come to the point. Polymorphism example 2. This is circle. Here I am writing, def underscore underscore. What is that? Unit underscore of self. Underscore of self. Underscore of self. So coming to the point of it, underscore of self. What happens, ma? Okay, look at that. Is the screen is visible, ma? Is the screen is visible? 1 minute, ma. Now just because of these videos are getting disturbing, ma. Because they are just disturbing, they are switch on their videos and then they are disturbing my class. So that's why the screen is blocked. Okay, now it is okay. Now I am strictly telling them any video is on, I will remove them. I'm saying especially, please don't disturb my class. Whatever it is, because of by mistakes or hand is on that, all these things I don't know. Because my class disturbance means so many people are, yes, yes, ma. If you disturb me, what you will get it, ma? Lot of students are reading well, and you people are just doing some funny things and touching the screens or sorry sir like that. What is the use of? Please don't do that, ma. I'm requesting all the people, please don't do that. Okay, right? All of them are saying that please remove them from the meetings or there. Still, I'm having lot of patience with you. Please follow me, right? So coming to the unit method. So that unit method is coming as it is here also. I will do underscore unit method underscore unit. See what is happening. What is happening here? So I will remove this part, drawing. So this I will write a class, right? Here also rectangle class. Here also I am writing def of part underscore unit underscore of self. Remove this part. Now see that what is happening. What is happening? SO dot square. Tell me, all of you. Tell me the answer. SO is equal to square of object creation. Where it will go? Where it will go? Overridden constructor it is. Overridden constructor it is. Where it will go? Which class? Square class. Looking for which constructor? Looking for which constructor? See that. Which constructor? Default constructor. Default constructor, na? This is called a default constructor. Looking for which constructor? Default constructor. Yes or no? Come on, ma. Yes, default constructor. Execute this code. Execute this code. Execute this code. Yes. Now, see that now. Execute. Now see. Python example 2.py. So I got the answer. Drawing square class. Drawing square class. So I am writing, if you want, I can write this square class if you feel difficulty. I will write underscore underscore init, where you can feel that it is constructor is calling. Yeah. Now you see. Now I got execute. Now I got drawing square with a constructor. Now see, I want to call from this constructor. I want to call this constructor. How do you call? In our Java, constructors will not be inherited. Constructors cannot be inherited. We cannot override them also. We cannot override them also. Now I am going to write. Now I am going to write super function of I am writing what? Underscore underscore init of underscore underscore init of, like this. Super of underscore underscore init of. What is happening? Calling. What one? Underscore underscore init. Underscore underscore init. Calling underscore underscore init of which class? Which class? Rect class. Rect class. See that now? What is happening? Here also, I will write this statement. Instead of rect class, I am writing this type of thing. See ma, what is happening? What is happening is execute. Got it. So drawing square is calling the other constructor here. There are a lot of examples I am explaining ma. Please cooperate. Don't switch on your videos. So this is called again what? Overloaded constructor. Overridden constructor. Overridden constructor. Okay. From here, I will call once again this part. Once again this part. See. Calling init method of what? Calling init method of what? Circle class. Again I am calling super of init of. Super of init of I am calling. Which one is calling? This part will be calling. This is called what? Original constructor. This is called original constructor. Original constructor it is called. Execute. Now I got. Now are you following? So with the super function what I am calling? Please all of you tell me. With the super function what I am calling? At the end of the class you will get extraordinary skill I will create. Please respond. Super of init. Calling what? Super class original constructor from the overridden constructor. What is the question is coming in interview point of view? Can I override the constructor? Can I override the constructor? Can I override? I cannot override. Yes, sir. We can override. We can override. Yes. First of all, you please remove this part once more. Please remove this part once. Plus, first remove this part once. I am just saying pause. One small sentence I am saying. Please say pause. What is coming you see? What is coming you see? Here also you see some comment. First of all, whether the constructor inherited or not, you check it out. See, class square rect of. Pause I said. From rect what is inherited? This constructor is inherited I am saying. Sir, what is the proof, sir? Proof. SY is equal to square. Square means what? Where it is going? Square class. Looking for what? Constructor inside the square class. Is there or not there? Is there or not there? Yes, sir, it is there. Which constructor? This constructor only there. That's why you are getting the answer of what? Rect. You just check it out. See, check it out. You got the answer. Rectangle. But you are created what? Square. That's why I don't want to go like this. That's why when it is inherited, I applied overridden. So can you prove that constructors are inheriting? Can you prove that constructors are inheriting? Yes. And can you prove that? Can you override? Yes. And how do you call? With which function you are using? With which function you are using? With which function you are using? You are using for this kind of things. So super functions are. So super function is used for calling base class original method from the context of overridden methods. It is also used for calling base class constructor. I wrote only one constructor. I wrote here base class original methods, but here I read base class constructor. How many constructors we can write? How many? 1 minute more, Satish. I am coming to that. How many constructors we can write? Only one constructor. Already we learned how beautifully we can write the constructor with our intelligence. default parameters, the keyword parameters, that knowledge from the context of overridden constructor of derived class. Now the point is, now you will get a doubt. Sir, from square class, directly I want to call the constructor of this one by using super function like this. Super function like this. Is it possible to call or not? Is it possible to call or not? Like that they are asking. Like that they are asking. So coming to the point of it, they are asking to do like this. So now I am saying that I am asking the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Is it possible or not possible? Is it possible or not possible? So definitely it will give problem. Definitely will give the problem. Simple, ma. Simple. Suppose this is called a ladder. This is called a ladder. This is a ladder. You want to go to your upstairs from the ground floor. This is the ladder. You want to go to the upstairs. You want to go to the upstairs. In olden days, very olden days you take. So we used to have ladders in our villages. Villages, so ladders are there. This is our ladder. Okay, going to the upstairs. So this is called your C1 class. This is called C1 class, C2 class, C3 class, C4 class, C5 class, C6 class, C7 class, C8 class. Tell me. Nice ladder. Yes, very good. Whatever I say, you will say nice only. Very good. Now, okay, ma, you are appreciating. Okay, thank you. Now I am saying, from this class, you are here. A person is here. Can he keep the leg here directly? Can he keep the leg from this place to this place? No, he cannot keep the leg there. Suppose you are coming up. Can you keep the leg directly here? What will happen? It will be a problem. That's why we have to call level by level. Falling down. Break will come. Break is nothing but what? Syntax errors will come. Falling down is nothing but syntax error. That's why level by level. Bottommost derived class to intermediate base class. Intermediate base class to another intermediate base class. Another intermediate base class. Like that. We need to go like this. What will happen? LKG to UKG to first class, first to second, third, fourth, fifth, finally BTech. After BTech, what happened? After BTech, what happened? After BTech, what happened? Nothing happened. That's why we need to be carefully need to study. In Finland and some other courses, yes, ma'am. Yes. So we should not feel like that. No problem. We are here, na? We are here. I'm telling to you. If the lockdown was not there, by this time you would have been seeing a different situation your side. From my side especially, for my students, you would have been different situation. I'll directly talk to any company people. There is no doubt. I will keep my student in front of them. I will ask them in front of them. My student can do this. My student can write this code and all those things. Why can't you? Of course, we have a friendly nature with all the people. We have so many contacts with different people. And first of all, having contacts means they won't help us. What way they will help us? They will have some name. Our students are there in many places. In Accenture, in Hyderabad branch, majority of our students are there. Java side and Python side. Majority of them. And even our students are more and more in everything because we are there from 23 years onwards in different. We are having different training subjects we train with. Most of us knows our students are something like a programming branded people they are. Yes. Definitely, we are going to be there. I already told many times, even I am saying now also. Yes. Right. Come on, ma, no problem. We are here to help you 100%. I'm there, na? Yes. So, yes. So, yeah, 100%. There is no doubt in that. So, coming to the point of it, ma, don't worry. This pandemic situation will not be there for a long time. We all pray the God, it will go out. Yes. 100% ma, 100%, 196 FO. When KVR sir is here, why to fear? Yeah, 100%. I will support. Definite, definite. Not supporting. I'll be there with you 100%. Nothing to worry. We'll take care. Come on to the point here. Square here. But if you don't read the subject, in front of the company people only, I will sit you on the ground. Why? Already notes is given. Everything explained. Why we can't read? We have to. You have to read. Fine. Please make these words clear. Done. So what is the syntax, sir? Now I'm going for. Please watch more. Syntax 1. What is the syntax 1? Super function of dot method 1. Super function of method 1. Super function of method 1. Method name. Method name of. This is 1. Or I will take you one more syntax more. One more syntax I read. What is the function name? One more function name. Super function of dot method name of list of values. List of values. List of values. Super function of list of values. Super function of what? List of values. See students. List of values. List of values. See, very, very perfect here. Super function of list of values. So in this case, what is happening? We are not having any type of parameters. I am not taking. We will take the parameters also. Don't worry. I will take the parameters also. Okay, right. Look at the syntax I am taking. Either with the method name, it doesn't contain any parameters, or we can contain the things. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Jyotirmai, I am coming to your doubt, ma. See, I said many examples I am going to give you. Still, it is not 545. We are at the 453 only. After that, Jyotirmai, I will ask you once again. Okay, your doubt, it is there in my example. That's what I am saying. Okay, na? Right. Syntax 2. Syntax 2. Syntax 2. Yes. What is the syntax 2, ma? Init super function of dot underscore init underscore of what? Self. Like this. This is one. One more is what? Under the same point, I will talk about the limitation also. Where it is going to become fail also, I will tell you. Where it is going to become fail also, I will explain. Yeah. This is called list of values. List of values. List of values. Okay, ma? Two syntaxes I said. One is called what? Super function of method name with parameter, without value, with values also I will show you. Init with values, without values. Sir, okay, sir. We understand, sir. Let me tell you where it is fail, then I will go for different examples. This will happily work in the case of all types of inheritances except multiple inheritance. Dear students, this syntax will work in all the cases except multiple inheritance. Sir, please show me once, sir. These syntaxes applicable for all syntax, for all types of inheritances, for all types of inheritances, for all types of inheritances, but not with multiple inheritance, multiple inheritance. Just 1 minute. But not with multiple inheritance. Sir, why? Or any inheritance combination of multiple. Or I can write directly, it. Diamond problem. It is one of the hybrid inheritance. I will write it directly. Hybrid inheritance. I am writing in the bracket diamond problem only. Come on to the point of it. Now I am going to give you the clarity. Sir, why? This syntax is applicable for only. So this is multi-level inheritance. Okay. This is a syntax of what? Multi-level inheritance of constructor only. Now I am going to take the same example what we had here. I am going to convert into multiple. Please see. Now I am going to convert into like this. Watch it. Here, draw. Here, circle I am not taking. Circle I am not taking. Please be careful. So I am not writing this part. Rectangle class is separate. Rectangle class is separate. Circle class is separate. Now here, square, what I'm saying there, circle comma, rectangle. Circle comma, rectangle. Tell me all of you, which type of inheritance? Which type of inheritance, dear students? Please interact more and more with me. Multiple. What is the subclass here? Square. Whose superclasses are how many? Whose superclasses are how many? How many? Yes. 2 superclasses are there. 3 superclasses are there. 4 superclasses are there. Yeah. See, class, triangle. Triangle. Yeah. Triangle. I will write, draw. I will write one more superclass. No problem. One more superclass. And you will really wonder when I go for this statement. See, here, drawing triangle. Triangle. Yes. Triangle class this is. Triangle class. Triangle class it is. Done. Triangle class. So here, see, I am writing here triangle. I am writing my class name is triangle. Triangle class I am writing. So coming to the point back here, circle class, rectangle class, triangle class. How many superclasses are there, ma? 3 superclasses are there. 1 subclass is there. Strictly it is called a multiple inheritance. Come on. Now here I am writing. See, 3 superclass. This method is coming. This method is coming. This method is coming into where? Square. I am overriding. This is called a overridden method. SO is equal to square. SO dot draw. Draw method called with respect to SO. SO is an object of square. Control goes to square. It is calling this method only. How to call this method? Suppose, let me execute first. Let me execute. Because this is a so sensitive point, everybody should understand in my class. Yes, please. Come on to the point. Yes, execute 3.5. 3.5. See, drawing square of square class. Now I am going to the point back here. Now I am going to point back here. I am saying from here I am interested in calling with the super function I am attempting to call dot draw. Do you know what is happening? Super. How many super classes will be there for square? Everybody 3. When you say super of draw, PVM will get a PVM will get a PVM will call PVM will call to which draw method? Which draw method PVM will call? First you understand. Which draw method PVM will call? PVM will call. That is my question. Are you understanding or not? First of all, are you understanding my question? Are you understanding my question? Yes, sir. We understand. Now the answer is, somebody said that triangle. Somebody said that all. Both of them are wrong. It will call circle. Why? Because this is a first in inheritance. This is a first in inheritance. It is the first base class. It is a second base class. This is a third base class. It will give the preference. PVM will call the first super class. First super class called what? Circle it will call. Let me show you that. Let me show you the execution. Let me show you the execution, Amma. Got it. See, ma? Square class is calling circle class. Suppose now I am going to write. Rectangle class I will write it. First I will write rectangle class. See how beautiful answer. Beautiful. Execute. Answer you see. Square is calling rectangle class. Next I will write. Go to the place. Next I will write. Here what I am writing. Here I will write triangle. I will write first. Triangle I am writing first. So in this triangle I am seeing what I am writing. Triangle class come first. Okay, what happens? 1 minute, comma is there. Okay, comma required. Yes. See, beautiful part. It's done. Triangle class is called. So what is your opinion? When I say super dot draw, okay, you are calling triangle, no problem. What about the rect class and then circle class? This also I am interested to call now. Are you understanding the questioning here? Are you understanding the discussion here? All of you? Yes. So is a super function. Can you write again super dot? Can you write again super dot draw? Can you write again super dot draw? Can you write again super dot draw? Function I mean to say. Super dot draw, super dot draw. You may be expecting like this. Will you call like that? No. If you think like that, what will happen? Same superclass method is calling many times. Triangle, 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 triangle only call it. Are you following? You are thinking, sir, first super is the first one, and the second super is called the second one. It is not going to call like that. So super function failed in this case. Is it failed or not? Is it failed or not, ma? Yes, sir. Then how do you solve this situation? Yes, failed. No, to solve this situation, completely super remove. Completely super remove. Now I am telling the new syntax, which is a wonderful syntax, which is the nobody knows. It's a challenging to many of the students. Come on, you can challenge it to the many people. That time you need to say very, very simple. Nothing is difficult, ma. You need to say, see the syntax. Class name dot class name dot draw. Actually, class name dot draw means what? Draw method is called what? If I write like this is called the wrong answer. Why? You are calling this method with respect to what? Class name. Generally, which methods we can call with respect to class name? Generally, which methods we can call with respect to class name? Class level method or static methods you can call. Or you will call with respect to static methods. But I am writing triangle dot, you need to write, that will give you the error. You need to write self inside, self. That means you are telling to PVM, okay, sir, we are calling with respect to triangle only, but call the draw method of self. Call that, this is the special syntax is provided. Please understand. Are you okay? Self I am writing. Are you okay, ma? Yes. Now you call. Now you call. Execute. Now I got the answer. Triangle. Now tell me, how do you call the circle? It is not only necessary to follow in the order, ma. You can follow. First one is what? You can follow what? Circle. Last one I am calling circle. Next I am calling what? Next I am calling what? Here I am calling rect. I am calling rect. Are you understanding, students? Self is compulsory. Self is compulsory. Self is compulsory. Are you following or not? Yes, ma'am. Students, please. Yes. See that answers now. See that answers now. Beautiful, beautiful answers. Square is calling circle, triangle, rectangle class. Beautiful, sir. Shall I move forward, sir? Shall I move forward, sir? All of you. See the syntax. See the syntax. Class name dot anything. Fine. I will give multiple examples. I will provide. Just I'm introducing the skeleton level. Go to the constructor. This is called a constructor. Let us go to the same point. See, 4 examples. 4 examples I covered. That is how to call. First you learn it. First one is what? Normal method, multi-level, super. Next is called what? Constructor, so multi-level. Next, the third is what? Multiple with what? Not super gun. We are using it. Go to this level. Come on. Here I am not writing. Here I am not writing. Init method, not at all overriding. This is called a original only. Now here, comma. What is that? Circle. You want to triangle also? Yes, take triangle also, no problem. Triangle also you take it. Triangle also you take it, no issue. So there I will take triangle also. Here I will write underscore init of self. So this is called a drawing. This is method called under that you say underscore init underscore of self. Underscore of self. So I am going to write a square. Here I am writing triangle class. Triangle class I will write it. Triangle class I will write it. Fine. So 3 constructors are coming. I am overriding here. If I call same super dot init, will say rectangle will come. First come, first served it will come. Are you following, guys? See, example, save this now for fourth you take it, fourth you take it, fourth, save this. Now see, out of that, now see, example 4.5. So I got a square related thing, I got it. When I use super here, what will happen? When I use super function of dot underscore init underscore init of this. What is happening? You see, execute. I got the output. Why the circle is coming? Because here you wrote now. That's why this is coming. That I will not write here. See, I got first one only coming. First one is called what? Rectangle only come. But what about circle and a triangle? So super function cannot do that. Yes, ma, Prabhat, you can happily enjoy that. Ma, no problem. You start already. Already I shown you in the beginning days. You can enjoy happily, Prabhat. Right. So, come to the point of it, super off init. So we cannot use this type of thing. So let us go to where we cannot use this type of thing. So to have this more and more, what is that now? Take it as circle dot, say underscore of init, underscore of what? Self unit, right? Self. Similarly, rect dot underscore of init, underscore of self. Next I will take what? Triangle. I can write a dot underscore of init, underscore of self. See how beautiful example this is. Come to the point of it, done. I got the answer. So what is calling? Square is calling, which itself is calling what? Circle, rectangle, etc. Students, are you following me? Are you getting my point? So why I am insisting on this again and again, see, they will ask you one question. Let me give you one direct question. What you come across? See, beautiful explanation. So this is called one class. A zigzag constructor, zigzag inheritance you take it. Zigzag inheritance constructor you take it. This is my class. This is my inheritance. C1. Next to C2. They will give you like this. Let us take anything, no issue. This is C4. This is C5. This is C5. And this is C6. Now, what is the function they have? What is the order of it? So this is the thing. Now coming here. Now coming there. Next, so finally coming here. Fine. Which type of inheritance, guys? Hybrid inheritances are. Take here X method. Take here X method. Overridden. That method is overridden, sir. X method, sir. Here that X method is overridden, sir. Here that X method is overridden, sir. No problem, sir. This X method is overridden here also, sir. No problem, sir. This is a method of overriding. Here, sir, X method overridden, sir. No problem, sir. You take underscore init method also, sir. Underscore init method. Underscore init, sir. Underscore init of self. Same thing here also you take, sir. Underscore of what? Init. Underscore of yes, self. Here also I will take, sir. Underscore init. Underscore of yes. Here I will take same scenario. Underscore of init. Underscore of self. Then here also I have underscore of init. Underscore of yes. Same style will be continued here also. Okay, of course it is there. Here also you write underscore init. Underscore of self. Now tell me, from here, can you call all of them? Can you call all of diamond is there, single is there, multi-level is there, everything is there. Can you call up? You cannot call up. Now I am asking from here, from C6, I want to call this directly. I want to call C1. How do you call? From C6, I want to call C1. How do you call? Excellent. Kaushal Tata, excellent. How do you call X method? C1 dot X of, no, I want a statement, ma. I want a statement. Why you are saying class name? Say the statement. C1 dot X of self. Come on, where you kept your knowledge? C1 of class name dot X of self. Not coming faster. Now I am asking C5 constructor want to call the constructor of C1. How do you call? From C5, I want to call the constructor of C1. How do you call? How do you call? C1 dot underscore unit of self. Excellent. Anywhere else, any type of thing you can call. Don't ask me, C1 constructor want to call this constructor, sir. Not possible at all. So I told you already, inheritance means from bottom to top. So such a type of question they will ask you. They will give this type of diagram and they are saying same constructor, same method is there. How do you call it? They will ask you. Short question. You take any student and ask, they will say not possible it is. It is containing what? Inheritance. Polymorphism is there. Polymorphism is there. Constructor is there. Polymorphism is there. Inheritance is there. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is applicable with whom? Methods. Methods they are applicable. And polymorphism is applicable with whom also? Methods also polymorphism is applicable. Methods also polymorphism is applicable. And constructors also polymorphism is applicable. Are you following, students? Polymorphism is applicable to polymorphism is applicable to where? Methods as well as constructors. Fine. Come on to the point back. In the first example, I told you this function. Here I wrote super function. Right or not? This from here super function. Can I call the rectangle function with other syntax or not? Can I call or not with other syntax? Can I call or not? Yes, or we can call. How? Rect dot draw of self. From here you can call rect dot draw of self. From here also I can call rect dot draw. From here I can call this also. How? Circle dot draw of self I can call. Because somebody asked that question. Jyotirmayi, are you getting your doubt, ma? Jyotirmayi, I hope your doubt is clarified, ma. Is it clarified, ma? What is the doubt you asked? I did not see your doubt properly. Yes, ma. Okay, understood, sir. Okay, ma. Right. Now let us move forward. This is called something like this done. Dear students, I will ask you one more question here, if you permit me. Shall I move little forward? So this is, I applied the polymorphism on what? Okay, let me go to my title page. So these syntaxes are straightforward applicable. These syntaxes are applicable for the all inheritances, but not straightforward applicable to other type of inheritances. To overcome this problem, I will say, to overcome this problem, we use the following syntaxes. What is that syntax number one? Syntax number one, class name dot, what is that? Method name of what? Self. Or you can also write it as what? You can also write happily, this type of syntax also. This example also I will show you. Don't worry. I'll show you all the examples. Until I show you all the examples, I will not say that is over. I will give you heartfully until I satisfy. I will not leave you. So self comma list of values. I'm saying that. This is one syntax. One more. This is at which level? Method level. This is at method level. One more is at where? This is at method level. I'm talking about syntax. This is at a constructor level. here, 1 minute, please. At constructor level. Constructor level. Fine. At constructor level, this is. Similarly, here this is at method level. 1 minute. At method level. At method level, this is. Okay. Similarly, this one I will take this place also. At a method level, this is syntax number 3. This is syntax number 3. 3. Yes. One more thing I will take at syntax number constructor level also I will write it. What is the syntax number at constructor level I will write? Yes, ma, I'm correcting that. Yeah, I've seen it. I just seen it. I'll correct that. Fine. It is called what? This is called what? Underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. This is called, I will write underscore underscore init of underscore underscore of self dot list of values. This is called a syntax constructor level. It is called a syntax 3. It is 3. Third level it is. So I hope that this type of syntax you can applicable for all the levels. So this is a gunshot question you will come across in real time. What is that example, sir? How do you call the base class methods? That is one super function they will ask you. They will ask you the question, where is the super class function, super function become fail? You have to say that it is becoming fail in so and so case. It is straightforward applicable for all types of inheritances, but not with multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance where the combination is hybrid. That time the problem will be started. To overcome that problem, we are going to use this type of concept. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Is it okay? Yes, sir. Now, you please permit me to go to the next example. Next example, I will go for it. See the next example I am going to introduce. Another example I am going to introduce. With the parameters I want to introduce. With the parameters. Let me go to that. This is, I am applying polymorphism and constructors and methods. Later I will tell you with the objects I will tell you. With the objects. Look at, I will take Python. Please start here like this. Yeah. So I am taking polymorphism example 5. Dot py. Look at very, very carefully. Right. What Raviraj? Raviraj, what is your dot? Multiple and hybrid are not applicable. Where ma not applicable? What is your things? So don't post the doubt like that. No, you are saying that you are asking me now. That is what I want. Is it in the question format or is it in the answer format? I should know that. Is it in the question format or in the answer format? That I need to know first. Okay, coming to the point of it. So here I am taking one small class. What is the class name? Take it as a circle. Take it as a circle. Now there I am taking def. What I am taking? I am taking area. Self comma R I am taking self comma R. What it is doing? It is taking the value. See carefully, taking the value. Okay. What it is doing? It is just calculating the result directly. What is that? Some local variable I will take it. AC I will take it. Inside the method I am taking the local variable. So I am doing 3.14 into R. I will print directly the result. What is that? Print area of circle. This is equal to comma AC. I just print it. Okay, done. Next I will take class rectangle of what I am saying, circle I am saying. From circle class what is coming? Tell me. From circle class what is coming? Yes, please. From circle class what is coming? Area, which was defined for what? Area of circle. Is it suitable for rect class? No, sir. What should I do? I should do what? What should I do, please? I should override. I should override. Now I'm overriding. Now I should change. Def area. I'm taking, see, I'm taking self comma, L comma B. L comma B it is taking. L comma B. L comma B. See how beautiful answer it is. Self L comma B. I will do some AR is equal to L into B. L into B. L into B. Print of area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to comma AR. Right, ma. Yes, ma. Farin Ansari. Thank you, ma. Thank you. So Farin Ansari saying is feeling like that. Yeah, I'm just want to show her feelings. All of you try to learn like this. All of you try to learn like this. Sir, you explained the flow. You made OOPS concept easy to understand. Million thanks for that. Really, I'm appreciating you. And you follow this type. Practice it. After that, you practice. Really wonderful student. I'm practicing to all my students, recommending that only. Make wonderful. L comma B with parameters R. Yes. Come on, next. I am taking one class. What is my class? Next, let us coming to the class. What is my class? Squares are square of see what I am doing. Rect I will take it. Rect I am taking. Yes. In that I am taking what? I will take this part. I will override again here. I will override here. Area. This is taking yes. Yes, it is taking. It is taking L into B. L into B. S into S. Sorry. S into yes. Yes into yes. Yes. So yes. Can I use AS here? It is a keyword. Can I use keyword here? Can I use keyword, ma? Where we used this keyword? Of course, you might be forgetting that. Where we used it as? Where we used it as? Okay. We used as alias name. We used it in files. Also, I used it. Now for loop where it is there, ma? We used it in two places. One is in modules. One more I used in with open. I used it. With open I used it. Okay. Now coming to the point back. I used yes into yes. Area of square I will use. I should not use. I say AS1. Key variables we should not. Keywords should not be used as variables. Area of square I can say square is equal to AS1. Okay. This is my class. Sir, now go to the main program. Please see the main program. Please see the main program. What I am going to do. See, students, I will create SO is equal to square. You are writing nice. SO is equal to square. Okay. SO dot. What I am saying? Area. You are calling area. First, I will go for area. So, what is that area is taking? Value it is taking. How do you do? I will pass the value called 2. I will take the value called 2. If you want, you can pass the value dynamically. No problem. You can take dynamically the result. You can happily call area. First storing you statically. Later, I will change the code. Prabhat, I understood. Right. Come on, fast. SO dot area of 2. It will go to square and this overridden method will be called. This is called overridden method. Overridden method. So S into S, 2 into 2, 4 printed. Just to save it. This is called overridden method. This is called overridden method. This is called what? Original method. Original method this is. This is called original method. Original method. Save this now. Polymorphism example 5. Polymorphism example 5. Yes, please. Execute. Yes, 5. Polymorphism example 5. I got the result directly 4. Directly 4. Yes. Now I got 2. If you want dynamically, yes, you can do. Let me complete static approach, then I will do. After here, dear student, I am asking one small, from there I want to call. On my base class I want to call. How do you call it? How do you call it? You can call happily this part. What is that? Super off, area, area, area. What I will do? I will say 5 or 3 comma 6 I will pass. Super of area, list of values. See ma, list of values. Somewhere else here. Method name of. So here you see. Method name of, super of method name of, list of values. List of values. So it will go to area of 3.6. 3.6. It will go to this place. Which one? Whose superclass is rectangle? Here it will go. Then from here it will print. See that now? See the answer once. Execute. See the answer. I got area of rectangle also. Next, it will go to this place. Then from there, I will call. From there, I will call. What is that? I will call super dot area of, I will point 1.2. 1.2. See that? Got the answer. Got the answer. Now, for example, you are asking me a question. Sir, I don't want to call from here, sir. I don't want, that's what ma. Arindam, I am coming to that only. Yeah, that only. From here I want to call. From here I want to call. Area of square, okay, rectangle we got it. Now I want to call, this point I want to get it. Which one? From here I want to call. From square class only I want to call circle class. How do you call? Super dot super of is not possible. Super of is not possible. How do you call? Circle dot area of, come on, area of 1.2, self comma 1.2, self comma 1.2. Are you following? Come on, super dot anyhow you are calling, it's a super class. That super I want to call. You cannot call. That's why we are solving that issue. We are calling that issue. So circle dot area of self of 1.2. It is going to the circle class area method. R is that. So I will separate it. I will separate here only. I will separate it because you want to see the separate result. Happy. Now see, I got the result. Perfect result. Dear students, can I say, are you good in this? Yes, ma'am. This is, I'm directly calling that. I'm directly calling. Suppose super you don't want to use. No problem. How can I call it? Rect off. Rect off I can call. Rect off. How do you call? Perfect. Rect off. What should I write here? What should I write? What I forget? Self I forget. Self I forget. That's why. So you can happily execute. Perfect. Right. This is the way. You can apply the same thing with constructors also. No issues at all. No issues. So one with the super we said, one with the normal kind of concept also you have done. Are you understanding with this? Are you understanding with this? Dear student, if you want to go to dynamic mechanism, now I will take dynamic mechanism. See the dynamic mechanism? Dynamic mechanism, directly I will go for it. See, I am writing here. Dear students, if you understand me, what I am writing? Int of, see, input of, enter, side of square. Yes. Say directly. SO dot area of int of input of enter side of area. Wow, what a beautiful code. S of area. What is the value to pass? Int value, or float value, whatever it is. Float value, you want a float value. Are you understanding this line? Directly I am getting the value. Okay. First experience this. First of all, we see whether you got it or not. Enter the side of square. 4. I got 4. 4 result I got it. Now 16 I got it. Are you okay? Yes. Arindam. Very good. Very good. Yes. Fine. So we got this. Now I'm asking, this is directly asking. Now go to this place also. Now go to this place also. Now I want to go for what? I want to get it what? Length plus what? I want to get it. So I will go to this line. I will go to this line. I will write this bacha line there. Bacha line. I'll write bacha line there. Yes. Enter. Enter. Now what is this? Length of, what is that? Enter what? Length of rectangle. Rectangle. Enter length of rectangle. Yes. Next I will write once again what? I will write what here? I will write here. Enter what I am writing. Enter breadth. Breadth. I will say breadth. Breadth of rectangle. Rectangle. So two values I am taking. Nothing is there. Two values I am taking. So this is 1 and the closing bracket is 1. Okay. Closing bracket is 1. Okay. Matching a. Okay. 1 minute. You just check it. Check it. Input of. Okay. This is one thing. Okay. Next there also float off. Okay. Done. Now you just check it once. Enter the square. 2. Enter the length of this thing. 2. Enter the breadth of that. I got the result. 6. Abba, what a beautiful line. Now similarly you write self off. Self off. What is that? Enter. Side enter. Radius of square. Radius of circle. Circle. Radius of circle. Yes. Yes, please. Enter the side of square. 12.3. 12.3. Yes. Rectangle. 12.3. And the next 23. I got the result. Circle. 1.2. Beautiful. Wow. What a beautiful program. Are you okay? Are you following? See, dynamically I am passing the results. Dear students, confidence levels are increasing or not? Or going out down? Is the confidence increasing or going down? Yes. Increasing, sir. Very nice, ma. Now, dear students, the same program I will show in another way. Okay. Now I'm going to show in another way, ma. Another way I'm going to show you. No inheritance, nothing. No inheritance, nothing. I will show no inheritance, nothing. No method overriding, nothing. I'm going to show in different way. See how I'm going to show you. Others. Python. Look at now. In circle, no, I don't write. Circle, no, don't write. Rectangle, no, I don't write. No super, nothing else, nothing. This I am not writing at all. I am not writing at all. All these lines, I am not writing. Leave it. I am not writing these things. What I am doing? This is the lines. Here I am having. I will call. I will go for. So for 2 minutes, this you don't worry about. For 2 minutes, you don't worry about. 2 minutes I will take your time. Now this is a point we have. I created something like this. Main program I am writing. Main program. And in another way, how I am showing, that is what I am saying. So CO is equal to circle. CO is equal to circle. Next, what is that? SO is equal to square. Okay. Now I'm asking. I'm going to send it to you. SO and CO, two objects are there. two objects are there. Now I'm going to say something like this. These objects, I will keep it into some object. I will keep it into some object. Where I'm going to keep that object? List you create. LST is equal to something like this. LST dot append of CO. LST dot append of SO. Now you write for OBJ in LST. For OBJ in LST, OBJ dot area of 3 OBJ dot area of 3. Now see the answer what you will get it. 6 dot. Now I am going to say. So polymorphism 6 dot Java. Polymorphism 6 dot Java. So here I am trying to say, now see, execute. Now it is going to say something like this. Yeah, execute this part, save it. Polymorphism 6 dot Java. Where it is saved, ma? Okay. It was saved in something different way, ma. 1 minute. No. It was saved with a hash and all. It was saved with a hash symbol, ma. It was saved with a hash symbol. You see on the top of it, hash is there. Okay? Right. See that? Area of circle I got it. Area of square also I got it. Area of circle I got it. Area of square also I got it. See, here I took it two objects. I put it into this place. What is that? LST of something like this. LST dot append of this. LST dot append. How many objects are there in LST? Two objects are there. First, which object is coming from LST? Come on, please. Which object is coming from LST? CO. CO reference is there in OBJ and area. CO dot area of 3. What is coming? Circle area is coming. Next, what is the OBJ coming from LST? SO. SO dot area. This area will be coming. Okay. Now, you go for that point. This one. What is that? This class you take it. With your intelligence, you can add this also. See, rectangle. This I will remove. Okay, no problem. Keep it like that. Now I am writing. With your knowledge, RO is equal to rect. I am saying rect. So I will say LST dot append of RO. I said RO. See what is happening there. LST dot RO dot LST append. Line number 2. What is missing, ma? 12. Okay. Okay. 1 minute, ma. Let us. Okay. Now, dear students, here we are passing only one value, right or not? Only one value are passing because here area method is taking one parameter. Here area parameter is taking only one parameter. Okay, this area method is satisfying. No problem. But what about this RO is coming? RO. Area method is taking only one value. But what about this other parameter? What about this B parameter, right or not? Are you understanding this? Line number 14. What happened, ma? Line number 14. Okay. Indentation. Okay. Right. See, B. Okay, tab is over. Take default parameter. Excellent. Take default parameter. So B value I am not passing. L value 3 is coming. B value I want to take it. B value I will take it as 12. Which one? Default parameter I took it. Because already we are masters in parameter passing mechanisms, right? Execute. In beginning of everything, I'll try to print this result. Beginning of everything, I would like to ask you to remember this line because just I want to give you some clarity. So I want to give you some separation in these places. Right. Fine. Execute. See the result, ma. I got the result. Area of circle, this one. What is that? 12 into 3. 12 into 3. 13 is called what? Default parameter. See, with objects also I got it. With objects also I got it. Okay? Right. Now see one more point I am trying to tell you. One more point I am trying to tell you. One more I am trying to tell you. Print. See, see carefully. For C comma R comma S in zip of CO comma SO comma RO. Zip function is there. Zip C dot area of 2.3 R dot area 12 comma 34 R. What is that next? S dot area of what? Something like 12. Zip function. So coming to the point back. Circle object is not iterable. Okay. So CO, SO, RO. Fine. C dot area, R dot area. Okay. Oh. Fine, ma. Okay, ma, no problem. Why this is giving is, zip function anyhow in our classroom, I will explain that. Because I am trying to compress all these objects. Because this object is containing how many values? Actually, this object contains how many values? Only one method is there. Not taking many values now. That's why for iterable objects only we will take this type of thing. At this point of time, our attempt to stop it. Zip function, I will give you some more example. I will explain, ma. Zip function, I will explain. No problem. I will explain zip function. Keep it up because I only touched that point. Now, definitely I will show you. When I got error means what? Definitely I will show you. No problem. Don't worry about that. So this is where we can apply polymorphism even in the objects level also. Are you understanding, Amma? Are you understanding, dear students? This part we are understanding. Are we understanding, Ma? Right. So we are understanding that part. Or in another way also I will try to tell you. At least. You try to tell me at least. So what is that is? What is that point is? I will try to tell you in another way. At least you tell me. For obj in I am taking obj in CO, comma RO, comma SO. Now you call obj dot area of something like 6 you say. This is in another way. This is added to the list. This is done. This is going to be what? Some different way I taken. What is that different way? You need to tell me. So I got the answer. Second level I got the answer. First level I got the answer. This is another level I got it. Which level this is, ma? What is this mechanism? Yes. Excellent. Tuple. It is called a tuple. See, in this level also, obj is taking first object reference, obj is taking second object reference, obj is taking third object reference. Now I am executing that. Tuple it is. These brackets are called what? Tuple. Are you following me? So polymorphism is applicable in how many places? Constructors, methods. One more way is what? Objects also. Here, no overriding, nothing. No polymorphism, no inheritance, nothing. But I am able to execute, right or not? Come on, students. Yes, ma. We got it. So, I hope that you understand the polymorphism. Jyotirmayi, are you understanding your doubt? Ma? Jyotirmayi. Right, ma. So, I hope this principles is clear for you. On Monday class, I will tell you some more examples on polymorphism. I will tell you some more example on polymorphism. I will tell you, and now I will go for data encapsulation and data abstraction example. Also, I will give you data abstraction and data encapsulation example. Also, I will tell you on Monday class. So tomorrow you completely practice by yourself. Completely practice by yourself. Don't go here and there, because once you learn Python subject very well, it is your future. Right. Yes, ma, I will upload. I will upload at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Because after my last class is over, I will upload. Okay? Right. Thank you. Good day for all of you.